Hello everyone, today we are going to learn again about pinyin. Now the vowel O. Before we learn about the vowel O, we are going to review again from the A. A, 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 O, 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 E, E, I, U, 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 Yu, 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 A, O, E, I, U, Yu, A, O, E, I, U, Yu. Now I will put the tone on the letter O. First tone, O, O, O. Second tone, O, 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 O. Third tone, O, O, O. Fourth tone, O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Thank you.